Welcome to a workspace where simplicity meets style. Today we are transforming your desktop into a clean, minimalist masterpiece using Rainmeter. No clutter, no distraction, just elegance and functionality. Let's get started. Hi, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how to customize your desktop in easy way using Rainmeter. First thing, you have to download this Rainmeter and install it. Just double click on it and then click on run and then click on OK and then click on next and install and then click on finish. Here is some default skin. Just right click on it and then click on unload skins, and there is a wallpaper as well. You can choose whatever wallpaper you want. Then you need to install these skins. Here you can see this pink skin. Double click on it and then click on install. Then place this widget and then right click on this skin, then click on pink, and here you can see this time. Just now drag these skins and place it here. Now again click on these skins and then click on pink and select the time of the day and load this skin. Okay, now we need to install another skins called dock. Double click on it and then click on install, and now place this dock here. Okay, now go to this Rainmeter desktop folder again, and here you can see this visualizer. Double click on it and then click on install.